Milk processing. Today we will discuss about the steps of milk processing. First we will do collection of milk. During collection of milk, platform test will be done. For this, sampling of milk will be done. After then, cooling of milk will be done. Cooling can be done by the process of in-can or can immersion method or surface cooler method or in tank or bulk cooler tank methods. Preheating. After cooling, preheating of milk should be done for efficient filtration and clarification. Filtration. Removal of visible foreign matter can be done from the milk by using cloth or strainer. Clarification. Removal of foreign matter can be done by using clarifier. Clarifier works on the principle of centrifugal force. Then standardization. It refers to the adjustment of fat and SNF level in the milk. Level of fat and SNF percent can be adjusted at desired value so that milk price can be fixed according to the proportion of fat and SNF in the milk. It can be done by either addition of milk or cream with higher or lower fat percentage or by removal of fat or cream. Then pasteurization. This term was coined by Louis Pasteur of France. Methods of pasteurization are: first is the batch or holding or low temperature long time method. It is the very cheapest method for the pasteurization of milk and mostly used in the rural areas. Milk is heated at 63 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes in water jacketed vat. Another method is high temperature short time method. In this method, milk is heated at 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds by flat heat exchanger. Bacreation or vacuum pasteurization. Pasteurization of high fat containing milk more than 6% or cream under reduced pressure by direct steam. Stationization. Pasteurization is carried out in a tubular heat exchanger consisting of 3 concentric tubes. Milk is heated to desired temperature 74 degrees Celsius for 7 seconds by passing milk between two water heated pipes through the narrow space of 0.8 to 0.8 mm. The immediately cooled milk is preserved for longer time. Ultra high temperature UST milk. In this process, milk is heated at 135 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius for no holding time. Vaporization. Milk is heated at 150 degrees Celsius for a fraction of second to half or 3 by 4th of second. Homogenization. It is the process of breakdown of fat globules below 1 micron in size. As a result, the fat globules do not get adhered to the container, so the cream could not get destroyed by adhering in the utensils. Bacterifugation. It is the method for removal of microbes from the milk. It removes about 99% bacteria from milk by centrifugal process. It removes the bacteria from milk by two centrifugal clarifiers which is placed in the series.